Hey friends, welcome back. It's Lady Cinnamon and I'm excited because today I will be participating in an annual wood decorating ideas collaboration, and it's being hosted by Gigi Faison, Loving Home Decor. Thank you for the open invite, and she requested that we do pay homage to wood by decorating with wood. Can decorate any portion of your home. So I want to thank you for the open invite. She's one of my Daughters of Destiny sisters and my sweet friend, and she does have really great exquisite taste. I'm so glad that we met on this platform because she's such a blessing. So check out her lovely channel along with all of the other co-hosts, which I will get into those now, but I will leave their information in the description bar below. She has a great lifestyle channel, but the next co-host is Jauni from Jauni on the Spot. I love her quick little DIYs, and her lives are the bomb, trust me. And she also has great decorating ideas with DIY and fashion. I actually love her series the most, and her wine reviews are amazing. I just love her personality. Also, Shawni from Shawni on the Spot. She's another Daughter of Destiny sister, and she does DIYs and home decor. She's an incredible artist with inspiring creativity, and my sweet friend. So please go check out their channels. Tell them that Lady Cinnamon sent you, and I will leave their information in the description bar below. So I definitely wanted to start my tablescape with this item I picked up with some other things when I went back home to visit family. It's an adorable metal duck, maybe a goose, and it's handcrafted with this whimsy motif of fall leaves. My husband suggested that I put some wine corks in its belly, and I absolutely love it. I think it's so pretty. I just really wanted to bring in some natural elements along with the wood, and maybe some just metals and fall floral for all of those colors, and warm up the space. So for my first item, I'm going to be going over this runner that I use as a base with a rust color that's perfect with that gold edging embroidery, and it's great on natural linen as a base. And under that, I have all of my other items on my table, so I really wanted to give it a nice grounding. Now on top of that, I have a wood tray that is one of my first elements that I wanted to add in with the wood decor, and I love it. I added in some regular greenery, not so bright but sort of darker, lusher greenery for this time of year. And then on top of the wood tray, I added in a full cornucopia of festive offerings that definitely symbolize the fall and the autumn harvest season, which I love. I love the harvest season, I really do. And I really wanted to bring in elements that will warm up the space with the foliage that brings out the beauty of the fall season as a whole. So I basically shopped my home for everything except for the goose and the dried corn, and I just used foliage from the Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby and such. One of the favorite things that I like to bring in are these grapevine pumpkin picks from Hobby Lobby, along with that large acorn, and I basically placed those strategically on a bed of faux straw. I also added in this really pretty fall colored pumpkin clove candle that smells amazing, and the tin top really brings in a nice element also. I also added in some fresh pine cones that I got from a farm, and these dried corn that are so indicative of the idyllic fall decor. And I love the way the husks, they dried down perfectly with that gorgeous autumn and fall colors of wines, and it's just beautiful just adding that to the table. And I got this idea from a YouTube friend or buddy of mine's from the Rogers house, and she had this cornucopia on her table, so I'll leave her link to her channel in the description bar below because it was so inspiring. So for my stemware, I used this beautiful two-toned stem. It has this gorgeous amber color to it, and I got these from Home Goods. They're the Castellaria line, and I think this amber or color that it has is just really perfect to bring in that fall element that just really brings it together, and it's perfect stemware for this time of year. So for my place setting, I did bring in lots and lots of wood elements, starting with this natural seagrass placemat. It does bring in an earthy element of natural fiber, and I added one of those other velvet placemats with the fall motif that matches the runner perfectly. And my charger is a dark wood grain to enhance my tablescape, and it's just beautiful with that wood grain and that darker, richer nutty looking element. I went with the neutral toned plate, but my salad plate is amazing. It's a wood pattern that's stoneware, and it brings in a white neutral that sort of draws in a natural texture and color, and it's just beautiful. And it's like features like a wood bark that's actually embossed pattern of a wood grain onto the plate, and the texture of it is just beautiful, and it's just so lovely, and it looks like wood on a plate. So I also use some bark wood napkin rings. They're pretty rustic, along with the same colored napkin, and I love the way it looks. So to really bring the whole look together, I used some wood flatware that I had. Once again, shop my home, and it really pulls together the whole theme of paying homage to wood and decorating with wood for an overall look for my tablescape design to stay on task. And I added in the little bless sign and changed out my wall art to just be definitely more indicative of those wood tones and florals and colors that just make you think of a warm space that brings out the harvest and the fall season for autumn. And I love the way this turned out. This was so much fun, and I just had to participate in it. So thanks for the open invite. Please check out the host and the co-host channels. I will leave their links in the description bar below along with the playlist for all of the other participants. So please make sure that you check out their channels also. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up, hit the bell twice to be notified when I upload, and thank you all for watching.